In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your user profile picture on Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. My name is Isaac and this is a minute with AI. To get started, go to Start menu here and then choose the settings option. Now from settings, look for your account or accounts, and here it is. And then here you can see your profile. As you can see, we don't have any profile picture and you can go ahead and change it. To change it, go down to create your picture and then you can choose an image either from your computer or you can go ahead and take one direct from your camera. So I'll go ahead and browse for one from my computer and I'll choose this. And here we go. We have our image on our profile. So that's how we change or add a profile picture on Windows 10 or 11. If this video is helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching and let's meet in the next video.